Hi there, Eli Soto. Are you always hungry in the morning? Does it feel like you waited a long time to eat? Don't have enough time to make breakfast? Well, today I'm going to teach you a fast and easy way to make pancakes. The right ingredients are essential for making the perfect pancake. First off, you're going to need to go to your local grocery store to get some of these ingredients. Let's see what we have. We got 1 cup of flour, wheat or white, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 cup of salt, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 2%, 1% or skim milk is fine, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to show you how to mix all those ingredients together. First off, we're going to start off with our dry ingredients. We're going to put the 1 cup of flour into the bowl. Next, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now, we're going to put that 1/4 cup of salt into the bowl. Next, we're going to take the baking powder, pour it in also. Now you can mix them together with a wire whisker or fork until they're combined thoroughly. Like this. Now, in a separate bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix the wet ingredients. First, take your egg. Next, pour your cup of milk into the bowl. And last, pour your vegetable oil. Now, you're going to mix the wet ingredients thoroughly with a whisk or fork until they're all combined evenly. Now, you're going to take your dry ingredients bowl, take your wet ingredients, which is now evenly mixed, and pour it into the dry ingredients bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and mix these ingredients together. By the end you're mixing the ingredients, the batter should come out at a sticky consistency. It should look something along the lines of this. And that's how you mix those ingredients. Now that we're done mixing our ingredients, you want to come over here and get a large cast iron skillet, or a griddle as we have here, and heat it up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you're going to want to take your canola oil or vegetable oil and pour it evenly across the griddle. So the pancakes won't stick when you're cooking them. Now, as you see, I poured my batter into a measuring cup for easier control on how big or small I want my pancakes. We're going to wait until the griddle heats up, but before we go, we can see if the griddle is ready to cook by just coming over here and taking a little bit of water, and it'll go ahead and evaporate right when you toss it on there. The next step is actually cooking the pancakes. Okay, we have our pancake batter here, and the correct way to pour batter onto the griddle is to actually pour in one spot and not in a circular motion until you get the desired size of your pancake, like this. And now, you're just going to wait until it cooks. The way you know that your pancake is ready to flip it'll start to form bubbles on the top of the pancake. And it'll start to be dry around the edges, if you can see. When that happens, you're going to go ahead and take your spatula and flip it lightly. Now's the time to add those ingredients that I told you about earlier. You can either add blueberries or chocolate chips. My favorite is chocolate chips. You're just going to take a little bit amount of the ingredients and just sprinkle it lightly over the top of the pancake. Like so. Now after you added those ingredients, now's the time to flip. It's getting kind of hot. You're going to go ahead and put your spatula under the pancake and check if it's the desired color. And now you're going to flip lightly like I said before. This one's a little burnt, but it's turning out good. Well, if you want to eat the pancake immediately after it's done cooking, you just want to take it, kind of scrape it off the griddle, and put it on a pancake, on a plate. But in my house, I have a lot of people to feed, so instead of putting it on a plate right away, you put it in this pan with foil on top, and close the foil over the pan and keep it heated. Then we go over here to the oven, press bake, put it to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and put it in the oven. And now here's my favorite part, the actual eating of the pancake. Some people like to put whipped cream and strawberries on top, but today I'm just going to put butter and syrup. There's a lot of different varieties of syrup that you probably find at your local grocery store. Some like regular syrup, light syrup, some even like flavored syrup. But today I'm just going to use the regular syrup. Pour it over your pancake at the desired amount. And now it's time to actually eat the pancake. Delicious. Now we're finished and you have yourself a delicious pancake. There's many other ways to make pancakes. I just showed you some of the few ways that I know. Now you can go out and show off your pancake making skills to all your friends. You stay classy, Hempstead. Enjoy.